Hi, it's Becky here from Genie Frog Crochet, and today I'm just going to do a quick little video to show you how to do a popcorn stitch. This is one of my favourite stitches and it gives a lovely texture on your work. You can see it there. And it's super simple to do. As long as you can do a double crochet, you can make a popcorn stitch. So I'm just going to show you on this little granny square that I've got here. So I'm going to chain 2, and into the space between my granny clusters, I'm going to make 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after you've completed that 5th, you're going to pull up your loop ever so slightly, take your hook out, and you're going to insert your hook into the first double crochet that you made. And then you're going to pop your loop back on your hook and pull it tight. And then what I like to do is I take my finger and push against the back of the stitches, which makes your popcorn pop out. And then you're just going to pull that loop through your first double crochet, and then you chain 1 just to lock in your popcorn stitch. There we go. So I'll show you again quickly. Chain 2 to get to your next space, and then we're going to do 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then you're going to pull your hook out of that loop, insert your hook into the first double crochet that you made, pop your loop back onto your hook and pull it tight, and then slightly push your stitches forward and pull through and chain 1 just to lock in your stitch. And that is how you make a popcorn stitch. There we are. Have fun. As I say, it gives you lovely texture to your projects, and it's so simple to do. As long as you can do a double crochet, you can make a popcorn stitch. Okay, and if you're finding my videos helpful, please leave me a comment and like and subscribe to my channel, and I will cover another stitch next time. Thanks ever so much. Bye bye.